Hello, Mr. Seth. I am in my clinic, in my dental chair. I make this video for you. This is the same box, carton box. Inside, you have a kit of lip retractor. You know, in the kit you have 2 lip retractor big, 2 lip retractor small, 2 size of vertical retractor. When you use mirror, radius mirror, you need put inside the mouth retractor, vertical retractor, and include the contrast, black contrast. You can choose color of the kit, black, white, or crystal. Okay. And this is new part, steel part. The new model have a hole to the belt. See, it's possible put the belt. The quality of the belt is excellent and have the name Resolut. You can put here, see? The other modification is this part put in tripod, in tripod. In the box, you have a light. Remember, one touch, long touch, turn on, and a short touch, change of temperature of color. This lamp is ready for install in the steel barra. And the other light put here. And you have mobile support. It's ready. It's ready. Es for colgado. Bien. Other news function with this hole is possible change lateral twin now position is ring twin. The light is axial. You put the mobile phone here and take the picture with light, axial light. Inside you have different and new accessory. The clip is better. The clip is more strong. See? And new clip have different position. It's better than the other clip. This is a good clip. And you have cable, 2 cables. And you have a new base. In this base, you put this accessory here. And when you need take picture of the dental laboratory. Es posible, retiras la luz y la pone aquí. For picture of the model. You have obviously 2 new bays. Bueno, this is all change for you.